Hey, good morning, everybody. It's me, Jeff, again, for those of you maybe first time joining. I'm here in Angeles City, Philippines on a Thursday, I think it's Thursday morning, 7:05 in the morning. When you're retired, you forget what day of the week it is. But it's about 78 degrees. We're on the tail end of a typhoon. I'm up on the roof, or not on the roof, on the second floor. Yes, you can see the slab was poured. So the scenery again is a little different. And no, it's not just me with a few extra pounds. I was out of town for a little over a week, a lot of drinking and a lot of eating. So I missed a lot of what was going on. But my builder, Eller, did some video while I was gone, and I'm going to show that next. So if you'd like to be notified when you get see videos in the future, go ahead and click the little button there for subscribe. If you like the video, hit like. And yeah, well, let's see what happened this past week and a half.
Okay, finally, one arrived.
This is the first of 3 mixer trucks pouring concrete into the concrete boom pump truck, which will pump it up on the second floor. This piece of equipment is called a poker or a needle vibrator, concrete poker needle vibrator. And they use this to eliminate air bubbles or air pockets. And in the concrete world, I guess they refer to that as honeycombing. So they'll run that throughout the concrete up on the second deck there to make sure that there's no air bubbles or air pockets. These are what are called test cylinders, and here, I don't know if it happens all throughout the Philippines, but for this build and my builder, they randomly select some concrete out of one of the 3 trucks, and they place them in these called test cylinders, and then they're taken to an independent facility. After, I guess, 24 hours, they're demolded, and then they're put in water until they're at the right test stage, and then they subject them to a comprehensive testing machine to record the failure. There's a comprehensive strength test. But that's what they're doing there, is they randomly selected some concrete to use. This is the second concrete truck, pouring some concrete into the concrete boom pump truck. And they're continuing to pour the second floor slab. So the operator of that boom is up on the second floor wearing the green shirt, and he has the controls to the boom, and he's moving that boom as the guys who are pouring it need it. And this is the third and last mixer truck. Yeah, so here we are up on the second floor, and they've already started to, as you can see, the second floor slab was laid. They have already started to put up the columns up here. Right, and in the orange PVC you see in the ground are the drains. So they're continuing to put up the columns. After they get the columns, I guess they put the get prepared to put the roof up, and they are working in the living room here with the beams pushed up the columns. See, they poured the steps the same day that they poured the second floor slab. So just to give you a little orientation up here on the second floor. So this area is going to be a walk-in closet. You can see where the wall is going to be, where the rebar is. Right, so when you come up the steps here, in a hallway, this will be a guest bedroom over here with a full bath. You walk up, there will be a doorway go into the master bedroom. That's going to be the master bedroom, walk-in closet, master bath, and then this will be a third bedroom over here in the corner for my daughter. It's a full bath and that as well. So we are inside the first floor now. Not a whole lot changed since the last time. The walls got up a little bit higher. Now it started to rain. It's still about 7:20 in the morning. The workers start at 8, so they're preparing their breakfast. They're going to the market to get some things. But the scaffolding will stay up. Apparently the scaffolding has to stay up about 21 days for the concrete to cure or dry above the steel decking there. So they poured this last week. They poured it about, I don't know, six days ago or so. So I have another 15-ish days to go yet. So the plan is to continue to work upstairs and continue to put the columns and the beams down here. The dirt over here, once the dirt is done and they get rid of it, they'll dig the septic tank, which is going to be out there. Yeah, that's what it looks like so far down here. In the rain, I got my scooter over here, so I'm gonna have to hang out for a little bit until it stops raining. Just a little look at the area where they stage things. So they need a place to hang their clothes because of the rain. Dry it off. A little cooking area over there. A little rack operations area. So that'll wrap this one up. Thanks everybody for joining. A big shout out to Eller for the video that he did. If you're interested in getting notified when new videos come out, again, hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time.